Hello everyone, this is Seismic Sales. I want to do a quick unboxing on a Facebook purchase that I bought. Stay tuned. Okay, we're here. I'm going to do this real quick because I got to go back to studying. This came from Facebook. I was looking for this coin for a while. It's been on eBay for about $200, $250, and I've been looking at it for a while. And I think, let me check Mercari, and then I checked Facebook Marketplace, and this guy had it. I'm on the West Coast. He's on the East Coast. But eBay had it for $229. $229 or $259. I don't know. It was over 220 bucks. And this guy on Facebook, oop, don't look at it. Oop, I might have to cut that out. This guy on Facebook Marketplace, this is my first time buying on Facebook Marketplace a coin. He had it for like $145. You guys might be able to see it. Taped up pretty well. This seller had previous sales, other action figures, verified seller on Facebook. No bad remarks. But I had to swoop on it because it was just so cheap. I didn't think he checked his prices. Okay, you guys ready? Here's the reveal. 3, 2. Hey, did you guys say hi to Grogu? And he's got a new friend, Bruce. All right, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. It's Megatron, 1 ounce silver coin. From the New Zealand Mint. There it is. What do you guys think? 1984. Can you see my face? There we go. Oh no. Okay. I saw the New Zealand Mint. They pressed it and it came up. But it looks like I pressed it and the top of the capsule came off. I didn't want to. Oh man. Hold on. You ever see these? These are for taking off the stickers and price tags off of the action figure cards. Let's see if it works. Oh no. Okay. Okay, there it is. Woo! Really don't want to mess it up. Elizabeth, 2022, $2. Is it, how many nines is it? Can you see it? So it's 3 nines, fine. 1 ounce. All right, so we'll test it out right now. Yeah, it kind of opened up on me. I didn't like that. So let's test it out. Here we go. Is that fast? I don't know. Here's how my Superman goes. Maybe it's because it's the plastic, the capsule. That is kind of fast. So can you, is it real or what? I don't know. I never bought one of these before. So let's try this guy. I picked this up. Precious Bear, do its thing. Run the calc. 999. Nope, that's gold. I don't want gold. Oops. Silver. What was it again? 999. Silver. That's 49. There it is. 39. Place it on the thing. Oh, run the calc. Run the calc. Now place the sample. Okay, it's in the middle. So I'm happy. Try it again on the other side. Ooh, try it again. Zoom out. There, ready, set, go. Yep, in the middle. Definitely picked up a Sigma Metalytics verifier for peace of mind. I will be giving this guy a good review. He didn't check his prices, so I swooped it. $229 on eBay. I got it for $145. Came out to like maybe $155, $160 plus shipping. It does not have any paperwork. I don't know if these come with COA paperwork or anything like. Please comment below if it does come and I'm missing it. COA paperwork. So yeah, I'm happy with it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I have more unboxing. I got a ton of packages to open up. I just want to do this before I have to go back to studying. Say goodbye to Bruce. Be Silver, my friend. Say goodbye to Grogs. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.